Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and hide likes on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For that purpose, first of all, go ahead, open your Facebook app. Once the Facebook app is open, go ahead, tap on this profile icon with the three horizontal line on top right corner. Go ahead, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Then you will tap on the settings icon given over there. Once you do that, it will show you this preferences section, which includes newsfeed and reaction preferences. Go ahead, tap on this reaction preferences. You can see hide a number of reaction, first option, and below you can see this on your post. So on post from others, so like where there is a post where other people have done it, you can, if you have enabled this, that means you won't be able to check that people's likes. You cannot see them because you have turned this option on. And if you go ahead below, you can see it's on your post. That also basically shows that if you turn this on, other people want to see the total number of reactions on the post you share to your profile. A reaction count will still appear on your post in other places such as groups or in other content such as reels. So for reels and groups it does not allow, but for the post that you will share in your profile, it will allow it. And make sure to turn this on. So I have already turned this on. Make sure you do this. Once, if it's by default turned off, go ahead, turn this on, you're good to go. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.